Hello everyone, my name is Seiko. I'd like to introduce some Japanese food. Today we're gonna make a, tofu, miso soup. In Japanese we call miso shiru soup. The ingredients is, you can just buy, this is a carrot that you can buy anywhere, or you can use a big carrot that we're gonna use. Also, here is Napa cabbage, I think. In Japanese we call hakusai, but I usually buy from Walmart or sometimes Kroger or HEB. So you can buy those Napa. And last one is tofu. This is like very much you can buy anywhere. I see that the Walmart, Target, Albertson, anywhere you can buy, and Kroger too. And last one, we use miso and miso paste. This is kind of tricky. You can usually buy at Asian store, that's for sure. I see that sometimes Sprouts carry those, but today I use those 4 ingredients to make a miso soup. So first, I already prepared everything, and this Napa is this one, and the carrot, and the tofu. I use 1/3 of a pack. I use tofu. And the last one is miso. So let's see first. We're gonna cut. I already prepared the wash. So this is how we cut it. It really depends on the people's preference. I usually cut a little bit smaller than usual. If somebody likes crunchy, maybe cut a little bit bigger than how I got it. There you go. So here is Napa cabbage, which is hakusai. Then next one is carrot. And now that I start boiling the water, it takes time. So let's see. This is just very much your preference, what size you want to cut. I'm not big on carrot, so I usually cut really small. I'm living here in States for a few years, so I miss a lot of Japanese food. I couldn't get a lot of Japanese food, so I try to use what we have, regular store. Then once a while I go Japanese store to get the ingredients. And here's next one, tofu. This is about 1/3 of it. And I use farm. So it's not too soft, it's not too hard. Some people cut like this on the hand, but I just use that cutting board. This is very much preference how big you wanna cut. I cut like really small, like this. Tofu is very healthy. It's a lot of protein in it. Here you go. So, and the last one is ready for miso. The miso paste, there is a different kind. But I use this miso paste. And the water is probably about 5 cup, about 6 cup. So for that, this is 1 tablespoon miso. I would probably use, let's see. It's kind of sticky together. Depends on how much is your preference. Sometimes I have a less taste. I would put about 6 cups of water. I would put about maybe this much. I scoop very big for 4 times, I would say. If you think that you like little stronger taste, you can add more. Alright, so that's, I'm gonna put those. Then, I actually forget one thing, just a second. Hi, I'm back. I got the juice from Asian store. Actually Japanese store. This is called dashi. It's really easy to use when you make miso shiru soup or ramen, when you make onigiri, you know, other Japanese food. It's very easy to use it. This will have umami dashi, which is I don't know how to explain, but it's really like good taste, good flavor, Japanese good flavor. And this contains the looks like this. So it's a lot of fish, dried fish, some powder in it. So let's see. Now start boiling. So let me put one of those. Put in it. If you can't access for those, it's okay. You can use without. That's not a problem. As long as we have miso paste, that's all we need. Alright, now start boiling. So let's put the ingredients in. The first, carrot. Then maybe tofu. Then Napa, which we call hakusai. And let's boil a little bit. Then we're gonna add miso paste. Okay. So it's about 5 minutes been boiling. I think it's Looks good. So now we're gonna put the miso paste. Okay. So, oh, by the way, this dash pack, this one, it still keep it in because have a really good taste, flavor. If as long as keep it in, and I would say probably till finish cooking, I would put in, then take it out. So now miso paste. So there's a different way to do it. I would do just take out the miso paste and scoop it with boiling water and looks like kind of mix with it and try to scoop it and put it like this. Scoop it. Till all down. Till all down. Otherwise, some miso paste is still kind of stuck together. And we don't want to have miso stuck together because it just tastes ugh. So make sure mix with it and it's all gone. Then next one, I'm lazy, so I just put it all together same time. Again, like this. Like this. Scoop the hot water, boiling water, and make sure it's all done with the miso paste. Like this. Alright. Now it's all mixed. Then I'm gonna probably boil another 2-3 minutes. Then I will turn off. Alright, so it's about 2 minutes now. So let me turn off. And I think it's about right. Sometimes like people want to little more soft, like especially carrots. Then it takes maybe another 5 minutes cooking. But my preference, I like little bit crunchy, so I think it's about the right time. Alright. It looks like this. Now, it's very, very hot. Okay. Right. Now, miso soup is ready. So now what I'm gonna do is make sure it's all mixed. Then the one that I put dashi, this one, the area we put the dashi, I'm gonna take it out. If you prefer, I think it's okay that you can keep it in longer. Right now, it's yummy yummy miso shiru soup. Here you go. It's ready. Thank you for watching. I will make more those videos, different menu. So please check out my channel again. Thank you. Bye bye.